When I saw that one, I just fall in love because it's really different. I never saw that one before. It's one of the rarest Mercedes-Benz in the world. When I stop, everybody wants to take pictures and talk about the van. I bought this one to make the difference. This van was built in north of Spain. It's from 75, the year I was born. Some believe Daimler Benz only rebrand the vehicle and put a star in the front, but no. In this N1300, I know they put a new engine, the famous OM615. That's a really good engine and reliable. Specialty coffee is a new thing in Portugal. The taste, the flavor is completely different. The quality of the coffee is really important. You roast small batches, so you got more control of the quality. And when the clients, they try our coffee, they got this good experience, and in the end, they are happy. The van changed a little bit my life, actually. And after you do the modification, you start taking this really serious, you know. For me, it's like a passion. When you work, for me, it's not boring. It's because you talk with people, you see people, they like your coffee. Everything is connected to the van, because when you look to a beautiful thing, you are curious. People just follow the van. The Combi van is our baby. That's how we start our business. So that one is gonna be still with us forever, for sure.